YouTube, welcome back to another 978 custom video. And real quick, I want to show you this unboxing. It's not a big deal. Don't know why I'm going to show you this, but it actually is a big deal for me. And I'm going to tell you all about it. If you want to know, let's watch this video.
They call me Pounds, here I'm known as 978 customs create, plus I rhyme great.
Now I know I'm a little too close, but I'm gonna move this box in a second. I just wanted to kind of get inside it and show you what I have. Yes, let's pull this out the way now. And what do we have here? A Storm collectible Mortal Kombat Scorpion box. Yes, I bought a box. Let me tell you about this box really quick. Right, I was just breezing through eBay for some Storm collectibles, and I saw someone selling this box for $20. I noticed it was someone who was actually close by. He was a state over, and so I made an offer for I think it was $10. An offer for $10 and local pickup. I asked if I could pick it up. He responded with, "Sure, you can pick it up. Let's just meet somewhere that's a little safe." I agreed. That's perfect with that. You know, it's fine with me. I also sent him a link to my YouTube channel and let him know that I make custom Spider-Man from time to time. And if you'd like to check out some stuff, feel free to check it out. He did, and he came back with, "Oh my goodness, hey, I remember you." He's like, we shared a comment once, so we shared a conversation, a small conversation on one of my videos, and he was very happy that I was the guy who made the tutorial video. So I was really happy that he knew who I was. I was definitely excited, like, oh, this guy knows. And so what he did was offer me this box for $6. He said, just pay for shipping and the box is mine. And that would eliminate me going to him to have to drive out there, or the $20 that he originally wanted for it. So I got this box for $6, pretty much shipped, and I'm looking at the postage. It says $6.70. So he went out of his way and paid another 70 cents. Not that it's a lot, but guys, it is, because you don't have to spend your money on people you don't know. So the fact that this guy went out and spent $1 on his own, and not to mention there is some bubble wrap, some nice packaging and tape. He did, you know, he did me a very big favor. And so I want to shout you out, Joe Hazel. You are the man, and I really do appreciate this very much. I respect what you did for me, and if you ever need anything, feel free to hit me up here. I got your back, brother. So it's always good to meet good people, and I'm very happy that I bumped into this guy's eBay account. And again, it's not that big of a deal. It's just a box. And the reason why I wanted this box is because I bought a Scorpion. Well, actually, I made a trade for a Scorpion, a loose one, and I needed a box for him. I have a box for Reptile and Sub-Zero, because I bought I made a trade for these guys as well, but they were brand new in a box, like unopened. And I have the boxes for them. And then I made another trade for these two guys for another custom, and I didn't have a box for any of these guys. I have all the accessories, just no box. And not that I want them in a box, because I'm going to eventually make a diorama of the acid pit and the pit of the bridge. So, but for now, I do want to have the boxes. I think they're really cool boxes. They're nice repackable cardboard boxes and stuff. And it looks really well. So if I have them, sorry guys, if I have them lined up here with my Sub-Zero, Scorpion, and Reptile, it makes me a happy guy. Now all I need, except this hand keeps falling off. I'm gonna review these guys, honestly, because they look amazing. There are some quality issues on the hands and everything, and the feet, but otherwise they are amazingly great figures. I know it's out of the norm of the Spider-Man stuff we do, but I do assure you guys these are amazing figures. There's so many things to like about it, but I'm really happy for this box. And again, Joe Hazel, I want to thank you very much for doing me that favor. You didn't have to do that. And again, man, that's just basically, that's the lesson, right? You treat people how you want to be treated, and you pay things forward. So I owe someone a favor now. 3 of the best ninjas from Mortal Kombat. And all I need now is the Noob Sidebot box. Then I'm going to all the Comic Cons to get Smoke, Ermac, and Rain.